Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of travelling with miles and points. I'm your host, Jack, and today we're talking about a clever way to book your UK train tickets and triple dip your rewards. As someone who's always on the lookout for ways to maximise value from everyday spending, I've recently changed how I book all my UK train tickets. Instead of going directly through train operating companies or traditional booking platforms, I now book exclusively through Uber. Yes, you heard that right, Uber. Their rail booking feature might not be widely known, but it offers a compelling proposition. 10% back in Uber credit on all train bookings, plus you earn 1 Avios point per pound spent. The best part? The prices are exactly the same as booking directly with train operators. So let's break down how this works. By using my Curve card, which lists Uber as one of my chosen 1% cashback retailers, and linking it to my Barclaycard Avios Plus card, I create a powerful triple stack of rewards. For example, on a typical £60 train ticket, I get £6 back in Uber credit, 60 pence back in Curve cash, and 90 Avios points, which are worth roughly 90 pence at 1 pence per point. This means on a £60 ticket, I'm getting approximately £7.50 in value back. That's a 12.5% return on my spending. The Uber credit is particularly valuable if you regularly use their services, like I do for airport transfers and city travel. So the credit essentially becomes as good as cash for me. If you want to replicate this setup, you can sign up for a Curve card using the link on our website and get £15 off your first Uber ride by signing up through our link. We also have a guide to the best Avios-earning credit cards to help you choose the right card for your spending patterns. While this might seem like a small optimization, these kinds of strategies really add up over time. For regular rail travellers, this could mean hundreds of pounds in value annually. Plus, there's something satisfying about turning mundane travel expenses into future travel rewards. Remember, the key to successful points collecting isn't just about big sign-up bonuses, it's about optimizing your everyday spending. This train booking strategy is a perfect example of how small changes to your routine can lead to meaningful rewards. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Smart with Points. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for traveling with miles and points, be sure to subscribe to our podcast on all major platforms or visit our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk.